development trends in 2022 that will shape the market. Without the difficult work of the trailblazers in WebRTC development in the course of the last 10 years, the occasions of 2020 would have been significantly harder to make do. WebRTC innovation was urgent in assisting us with adapting to being stuck at home. Video calls between relatives, remote work and training, and virtual gatherings are only a couple of the innovations improved by ongoing correspondence and WebRTC solutions. Number 1. Growth of transmission advancements joined with WebRTC, driven by hybrid occasions. Perhaps in late 2022 or unquestionably in 2022, we will return to face-to-face business gatherings. The reasons are excessively convincing. Nobody has fabricated a virtual amusement of the worth you get from finding a partner or industry powerhouse in the corridor among meetings, and afterwards sharing a lager at the lodging bar to take care of business. Number 2. Consolidation in telehealth for the biggest clinical frameworks. This is a trend that honestly I don't like. Medical services is an extremely huge administrative industry that favors generally safe programming development. WebRTC is an adaptive protocol. This is done using the secure audio-video profile with Facebook, SAV, and RTP control protocol. Number 3. Unique work processes will stay significant in buyer-driven telehealth. Most specialist workplaces confronted an abrupt emergency toward the start of the pandemic. Having evaded telehealth instruments already out of dread of innovation or additional expenses, they had to adjust to far-off understanding visits. Interestingly. Number 4. Remote work is the new work. Before the finish of 2022, many will get back to the workplace. Yet, the pandemic will have changed our ideas about remote work. The individuals who have escaped costly urban communities like San Francisco won't return as a group. Number 5. More specialty products. A trend in the entirety of my forecasts hitherto is that the way to build a fruitful web-based video app in 2022 and the post-pandemic world is to track down your specialty. Conclusion. With that being said, if you're having any sort of ideas in your mind, you can contact Moon Technolabs and we shall get you a free quote.